Hi, Primary 2 students. This is Miss Stephanie, and in this video, we are going to look at the simple present tense. Okay, let's see. We use the simple present tense to talk about habits. For example, he cleans his house every day. This is simple present tense. We also use it to talk about the present states. For example, we live in Sha Tin. And we also use it to talk about simple truths. That means things that everyone knows. For example, the fire is hot. We can use the simple present tense for all of these things. So how do we use simple present tense? Well, if we use I, you, we, or they, we can just use the verb. But if we use he, she, and it, we need to use the verb plus s or es. Let's look at it together. So we add s or es after action words when we use he, she, or it. We add s to most action words. Let's see some examples. Okay, let's look. Put, we add s to make puts. Serve, we add s to make serves. Look, add s to make looks. Drive, add s to make drives. And help, add s to make helps. But sometimes we need to add es. And we add es to verbs that end with o, s, ss, x, ch, and sh. For example, the word go. We need to add es to this verb. Same with the word do. Because the ending is o, you see? Go and do. We need to add es. Look at this word. Kiss. The ending is ss, double s. So we need to add es. The same with watch, catch, and teach. They have ending ch sound, ch. So we need to add es for them. And the same if the verb ends with sh. Just like wash, we need to add es. So remember, if the verb ends with o, s, double s, x, ch, or sh, we need to add es. Sometimes we need to change y into an I, and then add es with some verbs ending in y. Here are some examples. Study. We need to get rid of the y and replace it with I, and then add es. The same for tidy, carry, and cry. All of these words end with y. We need to have no y and add ies to these verbs to make them into simple present tense. But sometimes we just add s for some words ending in y. So this rule, ies, is not for all verbs. So you need to know about these ones that end in y. For example, play. No need for es, we just add s. The same with say, we just add s, and buy, we just add s. And lastly, the verb be in the simple present tense has many different forms. For I, we need to use am. For you, we, or they, we need to use are. And for he, she, or it, we need to use is. For example, I am a P.2 student. Remember, we need to use am after I. I am a P2 student. Okay, number 2. We are very hungry. We need to use are because we use we. We are very hungry. And the last one, he. He is my little brother. See the table? We need to use is because it's he. He is my little brother. And this is how to use be in the simple present tense form. Bye!